Whoa. Something got in my shoe. Something prickly. Ouchie. Let's see. Huh.
What?
It looked like the reflection off of a windshield or something, but I don't know how that would be possible from the hole we're in. Oh. Maybe something on him was shiny, like his sunglasses, maybe. Okay.
These guys are serious.
But, oh, they're going to do a little quick climb. They could be climbing something right over there. I was assuming something close, being kind of late in the day, but it's not really that late, so, you know. There's a few decent climbs in the area, I'm sure.
Yeah, they look like they've done this before.
Yeah. Yeah. No doubt it takes practice just to learn how to handle all that rope.
Yeah, you don't just get up one day and decide you're going to do it. Not if you want to live there.
Right.
You better do your homework and practice.
Yeah. And, right, and no doubt go out with people who know what they're doing.
And go out with people that know what they're doing.
Yeah. So, oh, we're back. And before I go, I'm gonna go find that tree again.
All right, man, I'm gonna head on.
God bless you. Well, you hung in there good?
Yeah, my legs, it's like I said, my leg, I thought after doing all that walking and walking every day, I thought, okay.
Yeah. It's a different strain on it.
This is a different strain.
Yeah.
Man, it's like, okay, like, all right.